Hello guys, welcome on my channel Always by David. Today I'm gonna show you this drill. This is model XRP. This is made for professionals. Let's have a look. So this is the newest DeWalt. This is the series XRP. Yeah, this is brushless model. The model of this drill is DCD996. You can have a look on some data about in here. I'm not sure that you can see it right now. Okay. Got a 3 settings of speeds. Yeah. And 11 settings in here for torque, drilling option, and the drilling with hammer. You can put the drill up to 13 millimeters. 3 settings of light. This is full, this is medium and low. This is brightness, yeah, you can see. Alright guys, I would like to do some test on this wood. This is 40 millimeters wood, so I got in here screws 5 millimeters by 50. Let's have a look. This is 6 millimeter, this one. So easy. The drill got a setting, like if you put on the third torque, yeah, you can have a look that the drill doesn't losing a power, yeah. Like if you press the switch, I still pressing the switch, yeah, and drill stop it, so not losing the battery power, yeah. This is very handy, yeah. Like I show you again, like yeah, and drill stop itself, like yeah. Okay. Now 6 millimeter bolt. Stop it again self because I got for setting number 3. I will put for 8. I will unscrew and put in other place. Maybe in here. Whoa, sorry. So easy, like you can see. There's 8 millimeter bolt screw by 70 millimeters in here somewhere. So easy, yeah. Drill stop itself is setting number 7. I will put on 11 now. If you will change a setting in here, the speed is higher or lower, yeah, like on the 1, you can see that the drill speed is slower. If you put on the 11, it's faster, yeah. So it's on the 11 now, yeah. Same, so easy, yeah. here. Wood just broke. And drill bit number 10 millimeters. I will show you how it's drilling. Whoa! It's just broke away. Okay, that's it. So if you guys are happy with my video, please leave a like, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below what you think about this drill. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.